The ketogenic diet, often referred to as the keto diet, has gained significant popularity in recent years due to its potential benefits for weight loss, improved health, and increased energy levels. This high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet aims to put your body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where it primarily burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. Understanding ketosis. Ketosis occurs when your body is deprived of carbohydrates, forcing it to turn to fat for energy. When your body breaks down fat, it produces ketones, which are used as an alternative fuel source. This metabolic shift can lead to several health benefits, including weight loss. By restricting carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption, you can reduce your overall calorie intake and promote weight loss. Improved blood sugar control. The ketogenic diet can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Reduced risk of heart disease. By lowering triglyceride levels and increasing HDL, or good cholesterol, the ketogenic diet can improve heart health. Increased energy levels. Many people report feeling more energized and focused when following a ketogenic diet. Improved brain function. Some studies suggest that the ketogenic diet may be beneficial for cognitive function and may help manage conditions like epilepsy. Getting started on the ketogenic diet. To achieve ketosis, you need to maintain a macronutrient ratio of approximately 70% fat, 20% protein, and 10% carbohydrates. Use a macro calculator to determine your specific needs based on your weight, height, and activity level. Focus on incorporating foods that are high in healthy fats, such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. Protein sources like meat, poultry, eggs, and seafood are also essential. Limit your intake of carbohydrates, such as grains, fruits, and starchy vegetables. Drinking plenty of water is important on any diet, but it's especially crucial on the ketogenic diet. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. To ensure you're in ketosis, you can use a ketone meter to measure the level of ketones in your blood or urine. It may take a few weeks for your body to adapt to ketosis, so be patient and don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Common challenges and tips. Many people experience a phase known as the keto flu when they first start the ketogenic diet. This is a temporary adjustment period as your body adapts to burning fat for fuel. Symptoms may include fatigue, headache, nausea, and constipation. Drinking plenty of water and consuming electrolytes can help alleviate these symptoms. It's common to experience carb cravings when you first start the ketogenic diet. Focus on staying hydrated, eating regular meals, and finding keto-friendly alternatives to your favorite carb-heavy foods. When you limit carbohydrate intake, your body loses electrolytes, which can lead to symptoms like fatigue, muscle cramps, and headaches. Consume foods rich in electrolytes such as leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. You may also consider taking a supplement. Following a ketogenic diet can be challenging in social situations, especially when dining out or attending parties. Be prepared to make healthy choices and don't be afraid to ask for modifications to dishes. Additional tips for success. Keeping a food journal can help you stay accountable and identify any areas where you need to make adjustments. Connect with others who are following a ketogenic diet for support, motivation, and advice. Before starting any new diet, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Pay attention to how your body feels and make adjustments as needed. The ketogenic diet offers a promising approach to weight loss, improved health, and increased energy levels. By understanding the principles of ketosis, making informed food choices, and staying patient, you can successfully embark on this journey and reap the benefits. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet.